ClickFunnels affiliate review. So I am a ClickFunnels affiliate. I've been a ClickFunnels affiliate. Well, I really started promoting it a couple months ago, kind of dabbled December, January, but I'm just now starting to really kind of go full force with it. And that's for a couple reasons. One is I've really become, involved as much as I can in the community. And that's the first thing I want to talk about is the community is absolutely fantastic. So you have six-figure, seven-figure earners in this community that are more than willing to give you your help. This video you're watching right here, this is Dave Woodward. He is the head of the affiliate program, and his partner there is a guy named Miles Clifford, I believe. I hope I didn't pronounce his name wrong. Both these guys are fantastic and offer great support. Dave goes live a lot and does Q&As. He keeps you updated on what's going on in the program. They are very, very passionate about their affiliate program. Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, started out in affiliate marketing, has been in affiliate marketing, and basically his business is affiliate marketing. He relies very heavily on affiliates to help promote his company. So they take very good care of us, and they take a lot of pride in their affiliate program to be one of the best, if not the best, out there. And that's for several reasons. One is the support, the community, and also the commissions. They pay out 40%. Recurring commission. So on the $97 plan, that's $38 a month, which adds up. I'm going to talk about that in a second. And the other ClickFunnels full suite plan is $297 a month. You get $118 recurring commission on that. But also they have so many different trainings and programs that range from 1,000 to 5,000 plus. You get 40% on that. Also Funnel Scripts, which is an amazing piece of software, copywriting software, is $800. You get 40% of that. And that's a great product to promote as well. They have free books that you can promote, which on the front end are, the commission's $1, but ClickFunnels really takes over the reins from there. So you promote the free book, Expert Secrets, .com secrets, network secrets, software secrets. And then what happens is ClickFunnels starts to promote to them for you, sending them emails. So you have all this upsell potential to earn more money off of that free book. So giving away that free book is fantastic, because if you understand the long game, you're going to start to make money over time. And they have what's called a sticky cookie. So if somebody buys your free book today but doesn't buy ClickFunnels for 6 months, you still get paid. Most commission structures, they have maybe a 14-day, 30-day, 60, maybe a 90-day cookie. ClickFunnels has a sticky cookie. So someone could click on your link today and you would still get paid 6 months, a year from now. So that's what's awesome about it. When you understand the long game and you understand that, that's what's really crucial here. I want to take you inside the ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. So if you could see here, this is my dashboard. So far I've earned about just close to $3,000. Started promoting, what was it, kind of heavy in February, but an extra $3,000. So I'm last 30 days I made $792. I'm averaging around $450 a month recurring revenue. Right now I'm already at I'm at 400 reoccurring. So these are my active members. So this stands for monthly recurring revenue. So they're really good at letting you know where you are, what's going on. I don't have anything going on right now. I hope that changes soon. But obviously the more work you put in, the more you get from it. But they couldn't make it easier for you to get your links to promote. They provide you with email swipes. They provide you with free training through the Affiliate Bootcamp, which is brand new and updated as of June 2019. It comes with great training from Russell, Steve Larson. Also, you get interviews from top affiliates like Greg Jeffries, I believe Jacob Karras. I just started the boot camp, the new boot camp. I went through the original one, which is great. But also Spencer Meekum, who is $1 million ClickFunnels earner. So you're going to learn from the best of the best, and they're going to show you their plan, what they would do starting from scratch from day 1 to day 30, how they would start to build their business back up. So I'll put a link below. Definitely go through that. It's absolutely free, guys. Check that out. But here's where you get all your links. It's super simple. You just click on the button, and they're going to explain again what the commission structure is. Also, you get a chance to win a dream car. So I have 5 active members right now. Hopefully, I'll work my way up slowly here. Once I get to 100 active members, ClickFunnels is going to give me $500 a month towards a car of my choice, towards a lease. When I get to 200 members, I'll get $1,000. So this is a great, great thing to shoot for. Nobody else does this, guys. So you're going to be making well over 4,000 recurring commissions, plus they're going to give you an extra $500 towards a car of your choice. That is awesome. My wife is fired up about this. She doesn't care about the money. She wants $500 so she can get a new minivan because I'm a stay-at-home dad, so we need a minivan. So that's what I'm shooting for. But they give you all the links you need. Your ClickFunnels affiliate ID is when you sign up for ClickFunnels, you're automatically assigned an ID. You don't have to do anything. All you do is click here to get your affiliate tools, copy your link, boom, you're ready to go. They've got all these banners you can put in your blog posts. But what's really cool, and what I love about what they do is they give you pre-written email swipes. All you have to do is copy, guys, right? Copy, put in your link, and you can send out emails. So if you have an existing list, which I don't, I'm building my list now, but a lot of the guys and girls who are doing really well out of the gate have an existing list that's interested in business, internet marketing, maybe in funnels, and this is where you can really shine. So you can really, in just a matter of minutes, you can copy and paste, send out these emails, and start building up your recurring commission. So that is my review of the ClickFunnels affiliate program, guys. I think it's absolutely hands down the best. Again, I've been an active user for a couple years. People are building businesses just on ClickFunnels affiliate program alone. They're changing their lives. It's absolutely insane. Also, they have a huge event every year, Funnel Hacking Live. I went to the last one in Tennessee where you get to talk with these people, sit down, talk, workshop, and these people who are earning 6 figures, 7 figures will sit down and talk to you and, just, go back and forth on, hey, this is what I'm doing, this is what's working. You can ask them questions. So you get to, these are just normal, good old people who happen to be making a lot of money promoting ClickFunnels. So it is an insane program to be a part of. Lots of support, lots of opportunity to make money. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll put links below for you guys. Best of luck to you.